In this video, I'll walk through curve pattern. We have two bodies here, and we want to take this blue body, we want to wrap it around this curve of this body. So to do that, we're going to go over here to curve pattern, choose our entity to pattern, this guy, pattern path to pattern along is our path. Okay, notice I have two instances, so if I change this to, let's say 15, it follows the curvature and the path of that line. And you can adjust this more and more. Also, you have the option to do normal to face, but I have found that it breaks it in this orientation. And then you can do locked. You can change it to distance, so we could say that it one every 5 millimeters and 25 of them. Or we can change this to 10, and then it evenly spaces it, but it stops, it doesn't go to the very end. So I kind of like the equal spacing one. All right, so that creates a whole bunch of extra bodies. If you want to subtract that from this main body, we would simply go back into that curve pattern, click remove, merge. So we're going to click on this as our main part, and it removes all of those from it. And there is curve pattern. Thanks for watching.